Minor cut.
Oh, I'm bleeding through that.
Look at all those
Look at
trees.
it. That's all roots.
Yeah.
Well, my plan was to slide down it and catch myself, but we start our fire right here. We can heat up this root ball, and then we can slowly move our fire as it burns this way, and that'll be warm. And then we can get ourselves set up right here somewhere. That'll radiate heat onto us. Hey, this is a good spot with no snow on the ground. Okay, yeah, we could build a little fire pit right here, and then we have a log to sit on.
All right,
Let's go get our
let's
supplies.
see if we can get it all in one haul. I think
One
we
haul.
can. Tony.
All right, I've got what wood I need, and I think it's time to start building. Some of these sticks have these little spines that you have to rub against the sides of trees to get off. It works pretty good. This is what we've got. Now, we haven't staked down the edges of the tent. We've got the tent structure, just a TP style tent. And we got our
dirt right here.
fire pit. All right, the sun has set and camp has more work to be done. With our tent here, we've got the foundation set up, but we want it to be held out so we can actually get a nice, tent shape, hold our body heat in, reflect it all back onto us while we're sleeping. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so we got all of it shoveled out, and camp is looking pretty good. We're gonna make some dinner now. Moment of truth. Oh yeah.
Perfect medium well. Not what I was going for.
We've got some smoked Gouda for our hamburger patty melts.
Eat from here.
Metal plates slip pretty bad on the snow.
Your cheese melt good? Yeah.
Relatively.
Mine didn't melt at all.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Yeah.
Excuse me.
The seasoning's amazing.
The cheese.
Perfect char.
That-
Gouda
That cheese.
doesn't get much better.
Spectacular.
Wow. All right, we are preparing for bed now. Just heating up the hats, drying off the gloves. All right. It's time for bed. We will see you in the morning.
Good night.
Well, good morning, guys. It's about 7. And I got to about 25 degrees last night. Feels like 14 degrees right now. And the fire is gone. So that's the first step. Water is completely frozen. So am I. So let's get a fire. All right, for breakfast this morning, we've got a pan with boiling and or warm water for our sockeye lemon pepper salmon. And then we got some bread that we are frying. It's not as burnt as it looks, I promise. And it'll taste just fine. So. All right, we got our salmon. Some salmon toast. Looks pretty good. Meal 2. Grilled cheese and then roasted garlic tomato sauce. All right, we have some dishes here that need to be cleaned. So we can just kind of grab some snow and rub it in there. Looks good to me. That one's clean. And number 2. Shiny. All right, that is the end of the camping trip. It is time for us to hike back to the road. Get out of here. We're loaded up.
It's gonna suck.
On your mouth, even though you're far away.
Not want my headlamp in the fire this time.
I dropped the butter in the dirt.
Actually,
Yeah,
on top or like open.
just a slab.
Perfect. Medium well.
Yeah, so the camera can't see you at all because you're shining a light at it. Oh, wow, that's really bloody.
I'm trying to watch.
I'm bleeding through that.
Damn. You don't really want to watch. What the frick?
Shiny. Got the fall on video.